Good morning students, welcome to the class of English. Today we will be discussing about the poem The Kite from your textbook on page number 27. Dear children, we all like to fly kites. Now, one question for you. Have you ever tried to fly one? I know the answer. It is yes. And you might also have enjoyed the kite flying festival every year with your family and friends. Okay, so let us read the poem about a kite as it flies in the sky. Now here in this poem you may come across certain words which shows the journey of the kite in the sky. I would like you to recite the poem along with me so that we'll enjoy the poem together and understand it well. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. But a raggeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. This is a poem written by Harry Benn. Now, let us go through the poem once again, trying to understand it. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Everyone enjoys to fly a kite in the sky and everyone prefers to get a new one. Now, when the kite is new, it is bright on the blue. Now, bright on the blue means clearly noticeable. You can see it in the clear sky where there are no clouds and the sky is clear. Here, blue signifies the sky. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Now, see here, the movement of the kite is described. How the kite hurls. Hurls means here it is a movement of the kite with a dive and dip. Now, these are the actions done in water. But see, here the kite is in the sky. So, here there is a clear comparison between the water and the sky. It snaps its tail. Now, snapping means to break suddenly with a sharp cracking sound. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. So, you can see that the kite hurls and with every wag its tail produces a cracking sound. You might have heard this when you are flying the kite, that cracking sound that comes when the kite goes up. So, here it mentions how it flies in the sky. Then soars like a ship. Now, soar is the sound. It is the sound of the kite. But here it is compared with the ship with only a sail. Sail is a white cloth that is tied to the ship in order to control the wind. So, here you can see that it is compared to the kite and it is said that how does the ship soar? With only a sail. वो sail की मदद से वो पूरा ship जो होता है वो आगे और आगे बढ़ता जाता है और उसका मूवमेंट होता है. सेम वे द काइट ऑल्सो व्हेन इट मूव्स then it moves in the sky. As over tides of wind it rides. जैसे tides is the movement of the waves in the water. तो tides जितना भी बड़ा तूफान आता है, कुछ भी आता है, but still it keeps on moving. It keeps on moving along with the wind. It rides because the sail is meant for that only. So here when we talk about the kite, then we say that while flying, all of a sudden the kite goes high on the top, just like a ship goes down, up and down on the crest of waves. With what? With a sailcloth. So it moves forward when the wind is strong. So same thing happens with the kite. When the wind is strong, we always wait for the wind during the kite flying festival, and we enjoy when there is wind. But when there is no wind, we feel really bored and we don't enjoy flying the kite. Okay, let's move forward. Climbs to the crest of gusts and pulls. Now here what is the meaning of gust? Gust means a sudden strong rush of wind, and this is the whole thing that I have already explained to you, that when there is a sudden strong rush of wind, then it moves forward. As wind falls, when string goes slack. Now here slack means held tightly in position or loose. So what is done? When we fly the kite, what happens? Sometimes we hold the string very tight and sometimes we loosen it. Now when the wind falls, what happens? We wind it back. पहले तो जो धागा होता है, मीन्स जो डोरी होती है पतंग की डोरी, उसको हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं ताकि वो हवा में लहराए, क्योंकि हवा एकदम से अभी धीरे धीरे कम होने लगी है. सो नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लूजन इट, एंड अगेन व्हेन द विंड blows, again it will be tight, and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. So now we'll come to know how the wind helps the kite to fly up high in the sky. So we know that a kite really looks bright on a clear sky, but what happens next? How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new? हमको पता है, we know how nicely it moves high up in the sky, but a raggeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. It is like the dark side and the happy side of our life. We always have two sides and we have ups and downs in our life. Sometimes there is happiness and sometimes we are sad. Sometimes there are good times and sometimes we have bad times. But we have to face both. We have to face difficulty. We have to enjoy the moments of both enjoyment as well as distress, because life comes and it goes, but we have to remain happy. So same way, raggeder means we have dressed in clothes that are worn or torn. Now here why it is used for kite? The kite, when it gets worn out or torn out, when it gets stuck somewhere. So here we know that a kite, it looks bright on a clear sky, but then when it gets stuck on a tree top, then it gets torn and gives a poor look, because now it has stuck in the tree and it's of no use. If we try to pull the string, then also we are not going to get our kite back. So when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree, flap means move up and down while flying. तो जब ऊपर नीचे होती है on the top of the tree, sometimes it gets stuck and then we lose the kite. So this is all about the poem The Kite. I hope you have understood the meaning of the words that are used in the poem, but still I would like you to go through the poem once again, read it once, write it in your notebook, and write the new words that come across with their meanings. Have a nice day.